Inselmulkom u nilqawkom għal din l-edizzjoni speċjali ta' Qrajt dan l-aħħar mill-Librerija tal-Università għall-okkażjoni tal-Festival tal-Ktieb fuq il-Kampus. Lillum se jlaqgħana ma' Caroline Smailes. Caroline li għandha parentela Maltija u tgħix l-Ingilterra, studjat il-kitba u l-letteratura fil-Creative Writing School fil-Manchester Metropolitan University. Hija ħadet sem f'bosta attivitajiet letterarji f'pajjiżha fejn ħejjiet u mexxiet workshops dwar il-kitba kreattiva kif ukoll dwar l-użu letterarju tal-internet u tal-mezzi tax-xandir. Hija magħrufa l-aktar għar-romanzi li kitbet li għanqlu lil bosta nies madwar id-dinja kollha. So Caroline, what have you read lately?
Well, I actually brought two books today. The first one I didn't realise how connected they were. It's a book called Soppy by Philippa Rice, and it's a pitch-perfect comic collection that talks about true love and romantic gestures, but not in a soppy way, not in a Disney way, but actually capturing the moments that bring you joy, the moments in relationships that we almost take for granted, and then they're the things that we'd miss if we weren't with that partner anymore. So it's about ordering a takeaway that your partner might like rather than you. It's about those cuddles on a sofa or watching a TV programme. It's just very delicate and truly beautiful. It was a gift, and it's something that I'll treasure now.
And who should read that book then?
I think anyone who, if you've been in a relationship for a long time and you're taking each other for granted maybe, or you're just starting a relationship, it's something to aspire towards, feeling entirely comfortable with your partner.
Sounds great. I see you have a second book as well.
And this one caught me by surprise because I've had it for quite a while, but I was reluctant to pick it up, and I don't know why now, but it's called Reasons to Stay Alive by Matt Haig. It's been a bestseller in the UK for months and months, and it's a memoir. It's a memoir about depression and recovery from depression, but it isn't dark, it's life-affirming, and it's joyous, and it's about all the reasons to stay alive. It's about the beauty of life, but it also tackles that suicide is such a major issue with over 1 million people committing suicide every year, and it doesn't shy away from that, and it's something for us to think about. And when lots of people suffer from depression, but it's about remembering those moments that bring you joy and make you happy to be alive, and looking at them and celebrating them and breathing through them and seeking out more.
Is there anything special you're taking away from that book that you're going to keep with you?
Yeah, I think Matt was brave to share his journey, but also when he reached out to all of his followers on Twitter and all the people who tweeted these reasons for them to stay alive. And it was like a joining together of people who were all allowing themselves to have a deep breath and to say, yes, I can talk about this, I don't have to keep it a secret anymore. And I think that's a really beautiful thing to do. So I think the two books go together, but I was just lucky to read them one after another.
Thank you very much, Caroline. I think time's up, so thank you very much for joining us. Għanna nirringrazzjawlkom tal-li naqattu magħna din edizzjoni speċjali mill-Librerija tal-Università. Narawkom il-ġimgħa d-dieħla fl-istess ħin. Sadattant taqraw mqar nitfa' kuljum.